Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist, and this is Oso. And so we were just doing a video on this refrigerator, and he pointed out a couple other things that when he first came across this.
Yeah, I was noticing that somebody worked on it before because nothing is back in the same position it's supposed to be.
So they didn't screw that in; it was all loose when it came in here.
Yeah, like I told you that somebody take the outlet apart. It's supposed to have the quick.
Oh, that's what that piece was from.
Yeah,
that was broken. So somebody took that outlet apart, broke that.
And this supposed to be on the back side too.
Yeah, they took the back off of that too.
Yeah, and I don't know if they break the propane loose, but they're supposed to use a backup. You see how twisted is that?
Yeah, so normally when you put a wrench on here, folks, if you're ever going to disconnect this line for any reason, that's your main propane line, you'd put a wrench on here and you'd put either another crescent wrench or a wrench on there. So when they've tightened that, they've bent that whole bracket and moved that.
And that could affect the orifice if the flame sensor don't sense the flame because the orifice is aimed
because it's all connected. Yeah.
And if he's aiming to the other side, that will affect the cooling because obviously
it's like having the lighter
Yeah.
of the flame not in the right spot.
Yeah, they're supposed to be hot in order for that to cool. They call it cooling unit, but they get hot to cool.
Yeah, that's what I was explaining in the video. So again, this is your cooling unit, and this is where the main fluid comes down and basically does like a U-turn in here, and then it's just a straight pipe. And that straight pipe that's up in there, you know, it only gets hot by the flame sensor or by the flame that's in here or by the heating element. So this heating element rests up against a pipe this size in here, and it just basically takes it from a liquid state to a gas state. And so if the burner's off, or if the heating elements, you know, up too high or not down right, it'll cause everything not to operate correctly. And I don't see any fans in here either. Do you see any fans?
They have that wire is.
So it's way up top in the roof. Yeah. So the other one I just looked at, there was the mounting screw that holds actually the refrigerator in place was sticking up like 3/4 of an inch. And there was a bunch of debris and spiders, and the thing wasn't sealed right. There was a bunch of other stuff wrong with it. So Gino's in there working on that one.
Yeah, and sometimes if the mounting screws are not right, because these units rely on ground. Sometimes if your ground is like really good, coming just for the main power.
Yeah.
It's better to ground it to a different
source. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks so much for watching. Also, thanks so much for explaining it to us more. And you guys have a great day. Thanks again for watching.